I'm making my famous sticky ribs. They're tender and sweet, and they get finished on the grill with some great char marks. To start, I'll make my spice blend. I'll grab a 1/4 cup of brown sugar and 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar. Around here, we like our ribs extra sweet. And I'll spice it up with a teaspoon each of paprika, which will give a little smokiness, onion powder, which just adds loads of flavor, garlic powder, and chili powder, which will add a tiny bit of heat, but just a tiny bit. I'll also add 2 teaspoons of kosher salt and some black pepper. I'll mix this to combine, and now I'll grab my ribs. I've got a rack of baby back ribs, which have come to room temperature. This allows them to get more tender and soak up all the flavors in the seasoning. So I'll rub these all over with my blend. I'll flip them over and cover the other side. These are looking so good. I'm smelling that chili. These are ready for the oven. I'm gonna cover them up with my foil, which will allow them to steam and get really tender. It'll also catch any of the juices that come out of the ribs because I'm gonna add those juices to the barbecue sauce, and that's gonna add even more flavor. I'll stick these in the oven now at 300 for 2 hours until they're tender, and when they're done, I'll finish them on the grill, and they are gonna be ridiculously good. I just had to finish up my ribs. They've been baking low and slow for 2 hours in their juices, and they smell incredible. I have a good feeling about this. I'm gonna get them out of the foil. Oh yeah, they look excellent. They smell so meaty and smoky and sweet. Okay, I'm gonna transfer these to a cutting board. Now, I don't want to get rid of any of these juices. There is so much flavor in here. I'm gonna pour the juices into my barbecue sauce. And this is just store-bought barbecue sauce, but punching it up with the meat juices makes it 20 times more awesome. Now I'll chop up my ribs. Oh, they're so tender. They are just falling off of the bone. Look at that. It's looking good. Feeling really soft, and when I finish these on the grill, they're gonna get some crisp char marks all over. They'll kind of get a shell. I'm gonna brush this onto my ribs now. This is gonna add even more flavor. And when these go on the grill, the sauce is gonna caramelize on the grill and get crisp and sticky. These are gonna be so good. Okay, let me grab a plate. Now you could finish these in the broiler to get a crisp exterior, but I'm gonna bundle up and get these on the grill. Oh yeah, these are perfect. These are ready to eat. I'll get these off the grill. All right, you guys, come on, let's eat.